Here is the EMTP Works Welcome page. From this page, you can browse for files, open recent files, open example files, or create new EMTP designs. You can also have access to the Help and Support section. Several documents are available. The number 4, Quick Overview of EMTP, is a very good document for new users. It opens as a PDF. This document is about 30 pages and helps new users go through the first steps of using EMTP. For more advanced users, document number 3, using EMTP tutorials and reference, is very good. This document is longer, it's about 250 pages, and it is well organized into several tutorials. For example, Tutorial 1, creating a simple schematic. Tutorial 2, single connections, etc. All the documentation around EMTP is gathered in the EMTP Help Center. In the EMTP Help Center, users can go through different resources which are classified into 5 categories. Introduction to EMTP, where you can find the Quick Overview of EMTP document, online video tutorials, and the FAQ. The Learning Center, where you can find the user manual document, the help documentation of the devices available in the libraries, a link to the YouTube channel, etc. The Scripting and DLL Programming section, where you can find and have access to the documentation on JavaScript-based scripting or on how to program DLLs. The EMTP Community section gathers the different community platforms. For example, the Exchange platform, where users can exchange EMTP designs or models. The Forum, a link to technical presentations made by other users, etc. Finally, the last section is about new version installations and license activation. The license activation can also be managed from the Licensing section in the Help and Support tab. The EMTP activation utility will help you go through these steps. If you go back to the Options section, let's open an example file. In the application cases, we can see a list of many available examples. To open one, open the subsection and double-click on the file with the extension .ecf, which is the extension for EMTP designs. An alert will pop up asking you to save the original design into a new location. Thanks for watching this video. If you need more information or you want to get informed when new content is released, please subscribe to our LinkedIn community and to our newsletter.